Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the staff and management of United, your Star Alliance members of mostly special flight crew, we would like to welcome you to Cartwright, also in the Federal States of Micronesia. 3:41, the local time here. For your continued safety and comfort, please remain seated, seatbelt securely fastened about you till the aircraft comes to a complete stop. Now to turn off the valves and seatbelt sign, and this indicates that we're safely parked at the gate. So once the valves and seatbelt sign is turned off, it'll be safe enough for you to move about the cabin to look for your personal belongings when you run out for your aircraft with you.